Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your HTC U Ultra. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install them both and also set them up so that they can work properly with your phone, and also how to transfer old files from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space in your phone. So first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to get a SIM ejector tool. So you can use a SIM ejector tool if you have one, or if not, you can also use like a paper clip or an earring. Any of them will work. Okay, up here on the right hand side of the top, we're going to have a slight opening, which is where we're going to push down. And once you push it down, the SIM card tray will eject. And there we go. So the SD card is going to go on the top here, and the SIM card will go on the bottom, just as you see here. So once you have them both in there, we're going to go ahead and place it back into the phone. So just gently push it in. If your SIM card is activated, it should pick up signal within a few seconds. As you can see, it's already reading the SIM card here, and it is picking up signal. And as you can see, it is reading T-Mobile service up here at the top. So if your SIM card is activated, it will pick up the signal and start working right away, and you should be able to use data and all of your features as well. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos that you take from now on save to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. So we're going to go to the camera, and right when you open up the camera, you should get this message: set storage location. So here it says, do you want to switch to removable storage? That is the SD card, so we're going to hit yes. So now pictures and videos that we take from now on will be saved on the SD card. If you don't get that message though, I'll show you the other way to do this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and select the two lines up here, and we're going to scroll to the left. Okay, and the settings is going to be here. So we're going to select settings, and then here in settings, we're going to scroll down till we see storage right here. Once you see storage, select it, and make sure that you select removable storage. Once it's selected, you're good to go. Pictures and videos that you take from now on will be saved on the SD card. So let's go ahead and show you now how to transfer old files from the internal memory to the SD card to free up space on your phone. Alright, so for this, what we're going to do is we're going to have to go into the settings. So let's go ahead and find settings. Here in settings, we're going to go to storage. And here in storage, we're going to select the phone storage because this is where we want to transfer out of. So select phone storage. Here we're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to select explore. Okay, so this is the files that are inside the internal memory of the phone. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to transfer out to the SD card pictures and videos. So those are going to be in the DCIM folder and media. As you can see, I only have 2 pictures here. You're most likely going to have a lot more, but it's still the same process. What we're going to do now is we're going to select and hold one picture, and then we're going to select the 3 dots and hit select all. Once you have them all selected, we're going to select the 3 dots once again and hit move to. And then now we're going to select the SD card. So we're going to select the SD card. I'm going to save it in the same file of the SD card, which is DCIM. And here I will create a new folder. And I'll name it HTC U. Okay. Here in the HTC U folder that I just made, we're going to select move. And as you can see, it says moving 2 files. Okay, so I guess it moved it over. Let's go to the SD card to check. DCIM, HTC U. As you can see, the pictures are now in the SD card in the HTC U folder. So let's double check that it's not in the internal memory of the phone anymore. HTC U, memory, a DCIM, media, they are no longer here. So keep in mind, you could do that with also any other file type that you wish to move over to the SD card that you see here to free up space on your phone. All right, everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to install your SIM card and SD card into your HTC U Ultra. So go ahead and please give this video a like if it helped you out, and I will see you around in the next one. And as always, peace.